Let's go to Walmart. Ew. Interest. Walmart. Ew. Card. Okay, we need to go find the bee and cheese. Ew. Bee and cheese. Ew. Demon. Ew. Bee and cheese. Ew. Another shot on the side. Let's see. Let me see. Okay, let's find the B&G. Here's a bill. It is with the B&G. Ew. Okay, I gotta find B&G's by papers. Oh, the B&G. Wait. To back to skies. The bits of B&G and the lift the B&G. Louis. Ew. B&G. Ew. Louis. Ew. What is these? The B&G. Ew. Let's go to find Old Spice. Let's go to find the egg game, Downy, and Bounce, and Tide, Ew, and Freeze, and Old Spice, always in Tapax, and always new. E-Day, Ew, B&G, in game post, B&G, Ew, B&G, Ew, and Tide, and yellow. B&G. Graham. There's a B&G eel. Downy. Yes. Downy. This is B&G. Ooh, begin the B&G. B&G. Bounce. Eel. Eel. B&G. And Graham. And those are B&G. Bounty. Eel. B&G. Bounce. Ew, yellow Sherman. B&G, ew. What's in B&G? Don't think I like. No, it's not. Crest, ew. B&G, ew. Let's go to pay. Ew, ew, ew. We need to pay the B&G. Reese's, jewelry, Skittles, Crackers, Lace chips, Pringles. No, waffles. Thanks for watching the Walmart.